like Office 365 because it's like a big database where you just type in a name and you can find your teachers or students.
The complications were logging in. It's normally just my go-to, Word document, so I'm used to it. I know how to work it and operate it.
It seems updated and new.
And share things with classmates or teachers, get quick edits back.
Sometimes it can take a long time to get to the MC email.
Well, I don't dislike anything about it. I actually thought that it looked really nice. It was like a really nice upgrade that they did.
Montgomery College students with the use of their school email have access to Office 365. All students have a Microsoft Outlook email address. When you sign into Outlook, you have access to all the Microsoft applications in the web browser. Apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Calendar, OneNote, and OneDrive Cloud Storage to save all your documents and content. Students can also download the latest versions of the app onto their computers. The Office apps are also available on mobile devices for the Android, Apple, and Windows.
I really can't think of something I don't like about the Word doc. That the little paperclip guy is gone. Clippy.